Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the craziest yet most exciting new meme coins, Maxi Doge, or simply Maxi. If you want to know how to jump into the presale, make sure to stick around. As always, you'll find the presale link in the description. Maxi Doge isn't just another Doge clone. This token represents pure energy in the madness of the crypto market, embodied by an over-muscular Shiba Inu that rides every 1,000 times opportunity. And the best part? In the first few days after presale launch, over $2.18 million have already been raised. A clear sign that there's real momentum and a strong community back in this project. So let's get straight to the question. How do you buy Maxi Doge? Relax. I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1, wallet. You can't do anything without a wallet. The easiest option is Best Wallet. The app is super simple and built to integrate seamlessly with the presale. But you can also use MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Wallet Connect. The only thing that matters is that your wallet is compatible with the presale. Step 2, fund your wallet. You can buy Maxi with the most popular coins, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, or USDC. If you don't have any yet, just grab them on an exchange and transfer them to your wallet. Now you're ready. Step 3, connect your wallet. Open the official presale page, links in the description, and click Connect Wallet at the top of the widget. Select your provider, confirm the connection, and you're good to go. Step 4, buy. Now, choose your crypto. Enter the amount you want to spend and you'll instantly see how many Maxi tokens you'll get. Hit buy now to confirm. The whole process only takes a few seconds. And here's a bonus feature everyone loves. Staking right at the time of purchase. You can stake your coins immediately, with yields of up to 163% APY. That means while you're waiting for the launch, your capital keeps growing. Step 5, claim. After your purchase, that's all that's left is a little patience. Once the TGE, the token generation event, goes live, you'll be able to claim your tokens directly on the presale page and transfer them to your wallet. That's how easy it is to get started with Maxi Doge. Maxi Doge delivers everything that makes meme coins exciting. Humor, energy, and the chance for massive gains. But combined with a clear, structured presale. And the project's already showing that it's much more than just short-lived hype. So, if you want to be part of this wild ride, check out the presale link in the description. My tip, use Best Wallet. It makes everything quick and hassle-free. That's it for me. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe for more crypto guides, and I'll see you in the next one.